How much does it cost to build a house in the Philippines? If you're planning to build your dream home, the first question on your mind is probably, how much per square meter? I'm Vic, and I've been in the construction industry for over 30 years. Today, I'm giving you the straight numbers, just the latest rates you need to know. The Philippine construction market has evolved significantly. Material costs have shifted, labor rates have adjusted, and if you're working with outdated figures, you could be off by hundreds of thousands or even millions of pesos. Let me break down the three budget categories and what you can realistically expect right now. First, let's establish the baseline. The average construction cost per square meter right now sits at around 35,000 pesos. But here's what most people don't tell you, that's just an average. It includes everything from basic housing to mid-range developments. And in my 3 decades of experience, I can tell you that averages don't build houses. Your specifications do. So let's look at what you'll actually pay based on your finish level. What does this get you? Standard hollow blocks, corrugated roofing, basic plumbing and electrical fixtures, ceramic tiles, standard paint finishes. This is functional, solid construction, nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. Perfect for rental properties, starter homes, or if you're working with tighter margins. In my experience, this range works well for provincial builds or projects where you prioritize pace over premium finishes. This is your entry-level construction, 30,000 pesos to 35,000 pesos per square meter. This is the sweet spot for families building their primary residence. You're getting quality materials across the board, branded fixtures and fittings, better insulation and waterproofing, granite or engineered stone countertops, hardwood or premium tiles, proper ceiling treatments, upgraded electrical systems with modern outlets. This range gives you durability and aesthetics. You're not cutting corners, but you're also not paying for unnecessary luxury. After 30 years, I can tell you this is where you get the best value for long-term satisfaction. Here's where most of our clients land. 35,000 pesos to 45,000 pesos per square meter. This is where architecture meets craftsmanship. Imported materials and fixtures, custom millwork and cabinetry, premium hardwood or marble flooring throughout, high-end kitchen with European appliances, smart home integration, designer lighting, architectural concrete or unique facade treatments, superior HVAC systems. I've managed projects at this level, and what you're really paying for is customization and longevity. Every detail is intentional, every finish is premium grade, and frankly, at this tier, the price can go beyond 60,000 pesos per square meter depending on your specifications. Sky's the limit when you're working with custom design and imported materials. If you're building your forever home with no compromises, 45,000 pesos to 65,000 plus pesos per square meter. So there you have it, your current construction cost in the Philippines. Economic, 30,000 pesos to 35,000 pesos per square meter. Standard, 35,000 pesos to 45,000 pesos per square meter. Luxury, 45,000 pesos to 65,000 plus pesos per square meter. Now, these are per square meter rates for construction. Remember, you still need to budget for your lot, permits, architectural fees, and professional fees, but that's a topic for another video. My advice, after 3 decades, don't just chase the lowest price. Look for value. The cheapest bid often becomes the most expensive project. But here's the question I get asked constantly after people see these numbers. Should I just buy an existing house instead? And honestly, it's a legitimate question. In my next video, I'm breaking down the real comparison building versus buying in today's Philippine market. The answer might surprise you because it's not just about the money. There are factors most people completely overlook. So make sure you click on the video on your screen now.